Here is the blender, and here is the old part that was here and then kind of came off and no longer works, which means that I haven't been able to use my blender. This thing melted and came off, and that means no power to the blades, which means no blending. So I need to make a new one. So we're back. Now we have a new part. This here. And here we have the old part. There's some subtle differences, but the most important part is the same. Now we need to go in here and unscrew this thing. And because the blades will spin, and if we spin the blade we can see that the nut also spins. But we can't really hold these with our hands, so we're going to use a towel for that. Put the towel inside, and the towel will be able to hold this still. There we go. And then we put in the new part. Or at least try. It would appear the hole is a tiny bit too small. And after that little jump up, we're back, because this thing would not go inside without some forcing. And so I did a heated insert I heated the nut up and just pushed it in. And we then need to we need to screw this with these things. And we need to assemble here one of these here. Take this thing apart. And it works again. Let's see how it fared. Oh, seems to be intact. And as always, the files will be in the video description, so that if you have this particular model, then you'll be able to fix it. The file isn't exactly perfect. You're going to have to do a little wiggling with it, and you have to do the heated insert part for the nut. But other than that, you can fix your blender. And now I don't need to buy a new one. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.